Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are heading to Target. These deals run from October the 13th until October the 19th, 2024. As always, these deals are all digital, so you just need your phone to score. Now, in this video, you will find a principal breakdown. This principal breakdown will help you so you don't have to write any deals down. You can either find that principal breakdown in the description from the YouTube box, or if you're watching from TikTok, you can find it from the link in my bio. I just want to let you guys know that I have been helping with the efforts of Hurricane Helene these past couple weeks, so I have been busy. So sorry I have been absent. Let's go ahead and get started on some deals. The first deal is this Happy Cold Brew coffee. This Happy Cold Brew coffee is $10.99. There is a $2 Ibata rebate that you can redeem. This is a limit of 3 per receipt. So $2.99, you're going to get that rebate for $2 back, making each one of these Happy Cold Brew coffees just 99 cents. And like I said, it's a limit of 3, so you can stock up on these. Next up is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Airwick Scented Oil, just the warmer, and they are $3.99. On the Target app, there is a $4 coupon. This $4 coupon is going to make this Airwick warmer totally FREE free. Now, my suggestion for you is if you are a person that resells your coupon items, then you may want to use this as leverage. So let's say you are at the flea market and you say, spend $25, get a free item. This could be one of your free items because it's so easy. Or you can have a dollar box. People love a dollar box, and you can put that in the dollar box. So always a good idea when you're reselling your items. Totally free. Next is the Persil detergent. I love Persil detergent. Just love the way it smells. It's usually $11.99. It's on sale right now for $8.99. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. That $3 coupon is going to make your price at the register $5.99. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibata for $4 back. Getting that $4 back is going to make this Persil just $1.99. So you're saving $10 on this Persil laundry detergent. Such a great deal. Now, just saying, if this is something that you do not use and you would like to donate, always remember that the people who are dealing with Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton would greatly appreciate something like this in their time of need. So always make sure you donate the things that you don't need. Skintimate razors, guys. You know I love these because I don't like to keep razors. I usually try to use them once or twice and throw them away. So Skintimate razors are $5.99. There is a $3 Target Circle coupon for $3 off. You're going to pay just $2.99 for these razors. That's 50% savings. And in this economy, 50% savings is a big deal. I know sometimes we think, oh, I'm just saving $1 or I'm saving $2. But if you save $1 or $2 every week on just one item and then you're buying multiple items, you're probably going to be saving $20 to $50 a week on items. And those right there can tell you, wow, I've saved up so much money. I can be able to pay a water bill. I can pay a light bill. So think of it like that. Yes, I saved $20 in this transaction. How much did I save next time? And think about how that can be lasting to be able to pay your bills in your home, especially during these trying times. So great deal on the Gold Bond lotion. I love these. It's in the travel trial size in your store. And so these are $2.99. Great for your purse, especially it's getting colder. You need these. And there is a $1.50 coupon. So that $1.50 coupon is going to make this Gold Bond lotion just $1.49. So again, great 50% savings. Now, I will tell you, if you don't want this small lotion, I do have a great deal for you that we're going to be saving for later. So you can either get this Gold Bond lotion and use this coupon or save the coupon for the next deal that I'm about to show you here in a moment. So I have a deal for you if you get 4 products. These are going to be the various products, and I believe it's called the beauty products, something like that. you buy 4 of these products, you're going to get a $5 gift card. So this is the deal I did. And if you look at the printable breakdown, I made these deals, like I highlighted them in pink for you so you know which ones are which. So first off, you're going to pick up one of these Neutrogena wipes. They are $5.69. You're going to use this $2 coupon attached. The total is going to be $3.69. Now, I'm just giving you the best deal I think. But of course, if you want to try something else go along with this, that is perfectly fine. No problem. I'm just suggesting these. Next, instead of using the gold bond on the travel size, the coupon that we saw earlier in the travel size, you can use it on the larger gold bond that's going to work for that buy 4, get a $5 gift card. So this gold bond is the 5.5 ounce. It is $6.39. Using that $1.50 coupon, it's going to make your total $4.80. All right, so the True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum. I love facial serum, vitamin C, and it has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Now, these are expensive, I know, but good facial stuff is expensive. And these are $21.99. What makes this even worse is you got to get 2 of these to make the deal work. So getting 2 of these, your total is going to be $43.98. But hear me out. So $43.98 is the first thing you're going to do is pick these up, these 2 up, and it has to be the vitamin C. You cannot get the cheaper ones. Then at the checkout, you're going to be able to apply this $3 coupon. Then you're going to go to Ibata. Ibata has a rebate for $4 back on each one. So $4 back on each one is like getting $8 back. Then you'll submit your receipt to Fetch. If you've never used Fetch, it is a great app. You just scan your receipt and then the savings start rolling in and you can rebate those for gift cards. So you're going to get back $4 or 4,000 Fetch points for each one. This can be redeemed twice, just like on Ibata. So getting back 4,000 Fetch points is $4 is going to be equivalent to $8. So far we've saved $3. We've gotten back $8 from Ibata and $8 from Fetch. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks or My Points. Swagbucks has a deal where you're going to get back 900 Swagbucks or $9 when you buy 2 of the vitamin C's. This is why it has to be the vitamin C. So 900 Swagbucks is equivalent to $9. So right now we've used the Target app, the Ibata app, the Fetch app, and the Swagbucks app. I like the Swagbucks app because you're able to get very high out-of-pocket items on the Swagbucks app. You get, high value back when you buy items and you get those rebates. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Checkout 51. Checkout 51 is replacing ShopMem. There's been Checkout 51 for a long time, but I think Checkout 51 recently bought out ShopMem, so they have a lot more deals and better deals on the Checkout 51 app. Now, there's 2 deals you're going to do. One is you're going to submit your receipt for $3 back on the vitamin C. So you're going to get back $3. And then you're going to submit your receipt and get back $6 on any of the True Skin products. So on Checkout 51, you're going to get back $9 just from the Checkout 51 app. And then the last thing you're going to do is get back that $5 gift card when you check out. And that $5 gift card can be used on other transactions after you are done. So the grand total for all of these items was about $55. And you're going to spend about $10. So that's $45 in savings, which is amazing. $55 all the way down to $10 is incredible. Saving money like this, if we said we had in this video, let's just say in this video, because I know for a fact all the items cost $80.92, and we only spent $17.92. So we saved $63 just in this video on things that we use every single day. These deals in this video were small but mighty, and I really appreciate you guys reaching to the very end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave me some love in the comments, and make sure, as always, you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.